Oh lord, we are frizzy today. What is up, Rockers and Rebels? It is Ruby, and this is not a makeup tutorial. The show where we copy other people's work and pass it off as our own because, let's face it, there is no original thought. Today we have yet another video by the amazing Wayne Goss. Last video was a foundation routine, and now we're going into a contouring routine. How to contour like a pro, not a drag queen. The queens are fierce, but we're not ready for that. We're scared. Now I need a haircut like nobody's business. Let's see what Mr. Goss has in store for us.
Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get a gorgeous, flawless look. There may be some lighting variations due to
his model is fucking gorgeous. Holy shit, her skin is perfect.
So I do apologise. First, we've applied magic cream to the face, and I just use a sponge.
Magic.
Next, I'm going to highlight the areas of the face that I want to come through.
Ah! Okay, again, we're just diving in without warning. Magic cream, is that like a primer? Is that your foundation? Are you doing foundation? Okay, so he is going through with foundation first, and it just showed him like super fast putting it all over with the sponge. Okay, let's do that. I feel like I'm always wearing black in these videos. It's black like my soul. So we're going to do the Revlon Color Stay makeup with Soft Flex. Combination oily skin. I don't have oily skin, but whatever. We're just gonna do it. 110 Ivory. So let's do that. Let's see if this just like spills all over my hand like the last one. Oh no, she thick. Alright, let's just do what he did. He was just like, of course he used the like little triangular brushes, and he was sponges, and he literally was just like in the beginning here. So let's just, of course it helps that his model again already has flawless skin. Oh my god, I'm pale as hell. Okay, I'm doing exactly what he did, wiping it all over. Probably using a lot more than what I should. Let's see, where's my compact? This freaking forehead wrinkle is the bane of my existence. I am quite obviously wearing foundation right now. Maybe I should have just put on a tinted moisturizer for this, because he said this is a non-cakey look. So I probably should have just done a tinted moisturizer instead of foundation. Oopsie daisy.
The forehead, the bridge of the nose, the chin, and of course underneath the eye area. I'm using Dermacolor, which is by Kryolan. I'm just applying.
Okay, and that's highlighter. I don't have liquid highlighter. That's the problem. I feel like most people don't have a cream or a liquid highlighter. They have a powder, like this big freaking thing from Coastal Scents that I feel like every person had 8 years ago when I bought this, so we're gonna go with that. I guess we'll do the peachy color, and he's doing it on like okay, give me the white. The bridge of the nose, the forehead, and the chin. It just looks like my skin because I'm fucking white. Okay, no.
This with a flat concealer brush. The best thing about highlight and contouring is the fact that you can make it look like nothing on the skin. And that is the goal, at least where I'm concerned. I want the skin to glow and look absolutely flawless, but I don't ever want...
You know what? He's really going in with this highlight under the eye. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going in with my white as hell Jeffree Star concealer, and he's like really going in. And you know what? I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go over it with a lot of the white from this palette. So you know what? This is what's gonna happen. I feel like I should have filled in my pores before I did this. Okay, this is looking not terrible. But you know what? It looks like I'm wearing concealer. I'm gonna need to get a cream highlight. What product did he use?
Taking a shade that's probably around about 3 shades darker than Emma's skin tone, I'm starting to contour. Now, you can err on the side of caution.
Okay, again, I should have gotten some sort of... You know what? We're going with the contour color. We're doing it!
The cheeks, the temples, and of course the jawline. This is to add dimension to the face. It's not to reshape the face or to give the illusion of a completely different nose. I just want to add dimension to the face. So contour any areas that you want to enhance or lift.
And he's like,
but do it realistically.
Carving.
And don't expect miracles. It is just makeup. It's not a magic wand.
No, I want magic. Damn it. This looks crazy. Oh my god. Okay, he's legit doing this on her face though, but her face is a lot less chunky than mine, so I look insane. Oh, we gotta go around here.
I'm using Dior Air Flash, which I've sprayed directly onto my foundation brush, and I start with the neck and work my way up. You want to blend...
Foundation brush? Oh my god, I need to get a new brush. Okay, he's using the big old fluffy thing, and I just grabbed a big old fluffy thing. Let's see.
And stipple. It's very important.
Oh, stipple. Oh, okay.
You don't want to blend it
Wait.
and move it ever so slightly so that it looks like skin, so it looks like gorgeous.
Oh, shit, y'all. He's putting foundation over. Oh, okay. See, I should have watched the video beforehand, and oh, I'm gonna knock that over and put that cat back on. Okay. Oh, frack. You know what? I should be using powder. Crap, you know what? Okay. Wiping this off. I'm gonna stick with the 6 color thing, and with that one. And he said stipple. Stipple. Oh my god, I look crazy. Okay. Who am I kidding? This is not okay. Oh my god, I look insane.
It's fresh, dewy skin, and that is the goal. I don't want to see, as I've mentioned, foundation on the skin at all.
Oh, well, you do. I'm sorry.
Goes on. So, blending the under eye area, just really stippling it in. You see no big circular motions here. I'm just pushing that foundation into the skin to blend. And always use your fingers. They're a great tool. Just a little bit in a pretty pink shade.
This video is officially a fail. Look at this. I look like a fucking marionette. It's not coming off. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's my tissue? Because we learned in the last thing that you use tissue all over the face. She is not coming off. Oh my god. Can I just beat my face into submission? Okay, clearly this scoopy thing does not work for fat ass cheeks. I need to cut this bitch.
I want to absorb all the excess oil, so I'm using a tissue and a sponge, and absorbing, you can set it completely. I'm going to set it with powder and a puff and press it onto not a huge amount. Just
okay, apart from the weird lines.
By using a bronzer, but it's really just
this actually looks really good.
That we originally did.
Okay. So, I don't know how to draw my contour lines, clearly. Ignore the lines. Okay, they don't exist. See? The skin looks great. I think my problem, besides sucking, is I curved into the nose. See? And that was a no-no, I think. I think I needed to go taller and just cut. Instead of curving, go down, because my cheeks are plenty chubby. I don't need emphasis on this. Oh, there we go. Wait a minute. There it is. Oh my god, I finally got rid of it. Thank you, sponge. I love you. We're going to try this one more time. Okay, so yeah, more like that. I feel like this is how you contour in cosplay to look like a man. But, you know what? I don't care. Because we have big old cheeks and they don't need any help. Okay. glare. Oh my god. Oh my god, we fixed it. I'm freaking out! Clearly, I still need to get a cream contour stick. I seriously think I need to do that if I want to continue on this contour journey. But oh my god. Nice, pretty pink. Would you go on my face? Please go on my face. He used his fingers, but clearly my fingers don't like me, so I'm just gonna use this. Oh my god! We fixed it. We fixed it. We're done. We're good. Spray it. Finish it. We're done. We're done. Y'all, this looks hella good. Like, before the previous one, it looked hella good, but it looked like foundation. This doesn't look like foundation. I take it back. This is not a fail. This is success. This is a roaring success. Oh my god. Still, this model is too pretty.
Such a pretty, fresh look.
Why, thank you. Wow. Wow. I feel like I need to go in public right now. Okay, you know what? I think we're gonna wrap this up. You know what? That's it. This is it. Before we try and do any more, this is the finished product. I think we learned a little bit about contouring today. We learned that the usual thing for women, like going like this, ain't gonna work for me because I got chubby ass cheeks. I need to do man contouring. Oh my god. Okay, well, I learned something about myself today. I need to look like a man so I don't look like a giant potato. We're gonna end right there. So thanks for watching this non-tutorial copycat makeup thing. I need to think of an outro for this. But in the meantime, thank you for watching. My name is Ruby, and this has not been a makeup tutorial.